Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In previous lecture, we discussed about the chi-square goodness of fit test. If the categorical variable is a one variable data, then what kind of test will be implied? So far, this concerns if the data is a nominal form data and a non-parametric test which is used will be chi-square test. If the categorical variable is a one variable data, then the chi-square goodness of fit test will be used. And we tried in previous lecture to resolve an example regarding the chi-square goodness of fit test. So now, if the categorical variable are more than one, either two, more or multiple variables, then which kind of test will be implied? So for this concerns, today we will try to learn about the more than one categorical variable for which the test which will be implied is a test of independence through the analysis of the cross tabulation. So let us discuss about the chi-square test of independence for more than one variable. So today we will discuss about the chi-square test of independence. Chi-square test, it means cross tabulation. Chi-square test cross tabulation. As we already know that the goodness of fit test is suitable for situations involving one categorical variable. As we already discussed regarding the chi-square goodness of fit test, that goodness of fit test is suitable for involving one variable, one variable. But if we have more than one variables, in this chi-square we discuss about the one variable, the package design. So if there are two categorical variables, categorical variables. If there are two categorical variables and our interest is to find out whether these two variables are associated with each other or not, then which kind of test is used? If the categorical variables are two variables, are more than two variables, are multiple variables, and our interest is to find out whether these two variables are associated or related to each other or not, then the test of independence is the basically appropriate technique to use. test of independence. Test of independence is appropriate technique to use in this scenario if the two categorical or multiple categorical variables are used in the data. This test is very popular for analyzing cross tabulation. This test is very popular for analyzing the cross tabulation. So this test is very popular, very famous for analyzing the cross tabulation, in which an investigator is keen to find out whether the two categorical variables are having any relationship with each other or having any kind of association with each other or not. So to find out whether the two categorical variables are having any kind of relationship with each other or not, to find out the association between two or more categorical variables in cross tabulation. Okay, so now the chi-square test of independence. Chi-square test of independence. As we know that similar to chi-square test for equality of chi-square test for equality of more than two proportions of more than two proportions but extends the basically concept of contingency tables. Contingency tables with R rows and C columns. So in this cross tabulation test of independence, here it will be used the rows and columns will be crossed. So therefore it is used as a cross tabulation. Now for checking the example of the chi-square test of independence or cross tabulation, we have two hypotheses. Hypothesis H0 and HA. H0 is a null hypothesis, whereas HA is an alternative hypothesis. H0 says that the two categorical variables two categorical variables are independent. As per H0, H0 says two categorical variables are independent, whereas it means there is no relationship relationship or association between them. Okay, so far the H0 concerns the two categorical variables are independent, whereas there is no relationship or association between them. It means there is no relationship or association between them. So far the alternative hypothesis it says that the two categorical variables are dependent. Two categorical variables are dependent, which means the two categorical variables there is a relationship or association. There is a relationship or association between them. Okay, so we have a two hypothesis. One is the alternative hypothesis, one is a null hypothesis. So null hypothesis says that the two categorical variables are independent. It means there is no relationship between them, whereas alternative hypothesis says that the two categorical variables are dependent. This means that there is a relationship or association between them. They are not free, they are not independent, they have some kind of relationship. So either they have some kind of relationship or not. So we have to prove according to the example or a problem. So for proving the hypothesis, either null hypothesis will be proved or alternative hypothesis